Hey there, and welcome to our first episode on Heartstrings. I'm still your neighborhood therapist, Michi P, and today we're going to explore the importance of effective communication in building and maintaining healthy relationships. And to do this, I came across a story I'd like to share with us. It's a real life example that highlights the consequences of poor communication and the benefits of open and honest dialogue. So without further ado, make I just jump into the story. Now this guy, in tell us say, he meets one very incredible woman a few years ago, and as soon as they met, the connection was instant. They started dating and everything was perfect. As it can be now, they were hanging out, going on trips together. Time just passed, and before you know, Incon started to feel jealous somehow. It's not because of the way she talk some kind times or her behavior some kind times. And it can be like say Incon they possessive, can they want consumer on top say the girl. You understand? But he say the girl not tell her anything. Say somehow she just distance herself from him, and before you know, the bond when they don't share over time on the week. From person when they text her first thing in the morning to evening time, no can they text again, no can they call again. He can notice say the whole thing done they go down small. Say the thing really worry him. So he can they ask himself questions, say why did she leave? What did he do wrong? And all of that. So he can say later for after a few months they can meet. He can say, yeah. As they meet now, normally they do like friends again. May I see whether the thing will fit start again. Then you ask the girl, say, come on. First, I know say we know they date again, but just tell me honestly, what did I do? What did I do wrong? And so the girl they open up or say, in the 2-day possessive, say in the 2-day jealous, and anytime she been try tell them about the whole thing, they listen. So they go they talk, then in go carry phone. They do some kind things online, and then they listen to her. So she can't feel say, waiting be the point now. Me she just there since kuku get her time. They follow and talk. He just conclude say she dey cheat. So the brother later come find and say, okay, the girl know they cheat. So as the girl comes to learn that thing, so it come pain and say, child. So and like this thing just lose relationship because after they don't meet, the girl don't come there with another relationship. So the guy talk say the thing really pain him, but what he can learn from the whole journey and say communication is key and that trust must be earned. As I read them now, I say now, wow, my people guys hear this one because this one is even perfect example of what we want even talk about today. Maybe try use that story, break down how the thing they relate to communication in relationship. Number 1, active listening. The girl say she they follow the guy talk. Say the guy no dey listen, say he carry phone. And now wetin you they do? Your babe, your guy want follow you talk, you carry phone. And that time say you want go Instagram. Oh, funny video. You they listen to funny video. And that time say funny video day for you to watch. Or you want order something from Jumia. Now that time when we they get conversation, at that time say you want to do all those ones. See, active listening is important in a relationship. You need to listen, show concern for person when you deal with. Because when you listen to each other's concerns, then you can avoid some kind unnecessary drama for relationship. Not be that one, no. Even sometimes, sometimes we they listen, but why we they listen? Because we want answer. Now you go listen because you just want to find that one thing where you go talk. May you use that one, answer them back, say no be as Now so we do. Verbal communication is crazy. Do you listen to understand? Or are you waiting for your turn to speak? These are important questions, and we've all been there. So listening is important. It's good to speak. Who says it's not good? It's good to speak. Ask questions if it will help. Clarify your thoughts. Ask questions. Show empathy. And yes, the one when you say person go follow you talk, you carry phone. You won't go online. If you know they go online, you they tap table. If you know they tap table, brother talk 1 or 2, you don't raise eyebrow. Your eyebrow don't nearly reach your forehead. As per waiting they talk no make sense. Or if not be that one, yes, you don't they work out and down, you know if you sit down again. You don't they work out to and fro, you don't they raise eyebrow, or you don't fold arms. You see these things, what these things do is tell your partner that you're not interested in that conversation. Subtle, it looks harmful, but that's what it's telling your partner that, look, I'm not interested in this conversation. Therefore, say what you want to, make her go. If not be that one, person they follow you talk with cool voice, you don't raise your own voice, because now you be microphone now. Make the whole world know say we dey quarrel. So these are tiny things that we do. So sometimes it's not even about what we say. Sometimes it's not even about how to respond or what we're saying with our mouth. Sometimes it's the body language. It's the tone of the voice. These are things, they speak volume. Okay, maybe we'll come up for that one. Maybe we enter assumption. Yeah, your guy they talk or yeah, your babe they talk. She never talk her statement finish, but you don't give her the ending. You know what in the person they think. You know what in the person they feel. Now you're feeling. Person they try express, they open up to you, they tell you as things be. You don't. She never talk finish. You don't say You don't give her the ending. Now what? Ask questions if needed to clarify situations. We need to normalize having empathy towards each other in a relationship. We need to be able to see things from the perspective of our partner. You understand? You don't know what's in this. So things they happen. People are getting depressed by the day. But if we go work now, they smile, come back. You know what thing don't face for that work. You call her no pick. Now only you they work. Now only you did the office. Now only you they tire. Communication is not about winning arguments. Communication is about finding solutions and feeling heard. All these boils down to one thing. Clear expression. Clearly express yourself. Instead of accusing your partner, clearly express yourself. Now another point with that too. And instead of saying, you know they hear but you never listen, you don't ever listen. Accusation. You can simply say, babes, I feel hurt when I'm talking to you and it's as though you're not paying attention. Now the same thing I talk, but different way. The power of I. The power of I. You can never underestimate the power of I. Use I statements. It's a game changer. But now, know the balance. Know the balance. Use I statements to express yourself, yes, but it is not always about you. It is not always about you. It is not always about you. Yes, you're using the I statements. Yes, you're rocking the body language. Yes, you're listening actively. Okay, but there is still disagreement. There are still conflicts. Let me tell you, conflict is a part of any healthy relationship. You must fight. But what you should know is not be WWE. So no need to stress on. The key thing to focus here is approach whatever conflict, whatever it is, approach it as a team. It is you and your partner versus the problem. Now the formula be that you and me against that problem. Not be me against you and the problem. Now why I say it's not always about you. There is a we. That I first took on before. Say teamwork makes the dream work. So me and your guy they talk. Next thing you want to baby, how do you think we should address this situation? I think we're having troubles with this thing. When you put it in a we, it is now our problem. No accusation there because you are also involved. Two of us are involved. There's no point letting issues simmer beneath the surface. Address them head on and work together to find solutions. Communication they like egusi soup. You want cook egusi soup. You get your egusi, you get your melon, you get your oil, you get your salt, but you don't get your pepper, you don't get some kind of seasoning. You get your stock, but you don't get anything to cook the stock with. Now you don't cook finish, pepper no dey the soup. You go taste one kind of, if you chop and then you be like say you want to vomit because pepper no dey the soup. Now if you can't go put pepper, you can't go put too much, person no come fit chop the soup. Now so communication dey for relationship. It is the lifeblood for every successful relationship. And you need to know the difference. It's not just about talking. It's not just about listening. It's about everything. It's how you talk. It's how you listen. It's in the understanding. It is in the connecting on a deeper level. Everything matters. Everything matters. Effective communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. So by listening actively, by avoiding assumptions, by communicating openly, by building trust and understanding, you are able to create a stronger connection with your partner. This will talk now. I don't need to talk too much, so Malima for you. So if you have experiences or thoughts to share, because also there are a lot more to communication than what I have said. You might know one or two. Please drop in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. And if you haven't signed up to our channel yet, Njenje Media TV, you want to do so that you will be reminded when we drop in insights and tips on nurturing your relationships. I am still your neighborhood therapist, Mr. P, and this is Heartstrings. Stay tuned for the next episode next week. Bye.